3-step variation if you're doing it from home and you don't have an access to the gym. So the first exercise is going to be a squat and jump. Touch the floor, jump as high as you can. Second exercise is going to be a burpee. So back, in, jump, back, in, jump. Third exercise, broken push-up. On the knees, on the floor, on your knees, exhale and up. Fourth exercise, renegade row with body weight. Next exercise, touching on the sides with your hand. Touch the back, raise your from your heels, raise your hamstrings, your hips. Drive forward, side, side. Raise, drive forward. And the last one, step forward, step backwards. Right there. And there you go. Have a great workout.